Good morning from Cadiz. Welcome back to everybody, and a special welcome to the new subscribers. It's the Oasis of the Seas over there, getting a little refit. Then we've got another ship just next to us, which is this one, which was stranded in Belfast Lock for a few months. I'll tell you about that later. So it's just waking up as the city, and we're going to set off shortly. There's another little ship, a small cruise liner which goes up the Rhine. It's a river cruise liner. There's the Belfast one again. Not really Belfast, it was in Belfast for a while, but it's a world cruise. We're just going to get ready now and go across straight out of the port, and within 100 yards you're in this area, and we're going to go across to the other side of those buildings and go for a little walk. Welcome to Cadiz. That's the ship's funnel up there, I think. And we're going for a walk into town. Look at the stone here. Look at this old place here. Look at the stone with the fossils. Fossilised shells. There's Cath.
Morning.
Morning, Cath.
Morning, Mick.
Yeah.
Another nice day. It was
Another
raining
nice day,
this morning.
Yeah, well, it was rubbish, wasn't it?
Yeah, thought it was going to be raining all day.
Let's have a look at ourselves.
It's supposed to be raining on and off.
Supposed to be.
Yeah.
Yeah. But it's this is Cadiz. What province did you say this was?
Andalusia.
Standing Pope. In Andalusia. Andalusia.
That's what it says on that thing, isn't it?
And when we arrived this morning, there was a rickety old ship came in behind us and parked behind us.
It was chugging away.
Yeah, it made a right racket. And it turns out it's the Odyssey, the cruise ship Odyssey, which has been in the news. It was parked in Belfast Lock for months. Breakdowns. And
I don't think it's going to get round without breaking down.
I don't know. It's on a 3.5 year, or it says a perpetual cruise. But it set off from Belfast Lock after getting repairs done, and then it had to stop before it got out of the lock. I'm just going to put a bit of music on this.
Massive. Look how far they go.
Just stand by that one. Which one? Right up against it. Right up against it. Right up against it. Up against it. No, you're nowhere near it. Right in the middle. The size of this. Look at that, there's another monument there. They love the statues and monuments, they really do. I've just nearly got flattened by a bike, and if you look down here, we'll see in a what. Bicycles. So this side's for bikes and that side's for pedestrians. That's why I nearly got hit by a bike. No.
We walked on there and then... Coming over that road.
The fella going down there with a bin and some, I'll show you. A bin and some sweeping equipment, and he's just been doing this little player here. He's been in this plaza, so he was sweeping up on here, then he twanged his tabang down there, down steps. Oh, maybe he's not been doing this bit. Right, Cath, here I get cosy in so we can both be on picture.
The weather's
I think
looking
you're
a
right,
bit...
it's looking a bit iffy. So it looks like it's going to start chucking it down. This is university behind us over here. And it's really weird because there were tons of youths over there and they were all behaving very nicely. Not a lot of raised voices like you might get in the UK, we just seemed a bit calm. I don't know what this building is. On the left over here. It's an old one. Oh, Hospiticio. Must be the old hospital.
So it's not the university.
No, the university's down there. Oh, that's the university behind those massive trees. On the area. It's historic something or other. Have a look. See in background, but it looks a bit like it's going to chuck it down at the back of us, isn't it? Well, it's chucking it down at sea.
Yeah.
So it looks like it's going to be a bit of a wet one. So we're going to walk along to
That there. Yeah.
and then if it's the rain in Spain falls mainly on the plain but also in Cadiz. Chucking it down, look how we're dressed. Tourists. Everybody's got brollies apart from us tourists off the ship. Well, sandals on, he's banging it down now.
I've come in for a while,
Oh, well around this courtyard. A little apartment complex.
I think this calls for a beer, Cath. I was going to get a coffee, but...
I'm thinking about a coffee.
Oh, Cath's thinking about a coffee. How long are you going to think about a coffee for?
I don't know.
Will you be having a coffee?
Yeah, I think so.
Are you sure?
I don't know.
Well, we had to go in a cafe, long last. Cath's busy on the phone.
That's us then. We're on the way back to the ship. Just having a quick look down more alleyways. It's been a bit of a strange day because it was chucking it down earlier on, as you saw. But we're back at the ship. It's been raining on and off. I think it's just about stopped now. The beauty of ships, cruise ships, is when you arrive in ports like this, if you're lucky, you're facing towards the city, or towards where the views are, which is the side we're on. And so we can see right the way across the city to all the monuments and the old buildings, parks, the towers. There's towers everywhere in this place. There's a close-up of one of the monuments. That's just outside on the port. More old buildings. And here's the Villa V Residences, which is the ship. We were talking about it earlier. It was stranded in Belfast Lock for a long time. It's Odyssey, I think it's Odyssey of the Seas, the proper name of the ship. And it's made its way down here. I don't know if you can make out. I've turned the volume down a little bit on the camera, but it was chugging constantly. Just chugging. There's a little bit where the sea containers are sorted and stored. Nice bridge over there and a sailing ship. And some oil platforms being made. And we're off. Well, this is just leaving the port of Cadiz. A lovely evening, nice and warm. We're now setting off. Oh, there's the captain, having a little look, make sure everything's all right. Might not have been the captain, obviously, it could have been just anybody. So we're going out of the port into the main shipping lanes, and then we're going to head up to Lisbon. So thanks to everybody who's been watching us and subscribing and liking and commenting. If you comment, we try and answer every comment. We do like to read them. And we shall catch you next time when we are going under a big bridge, this one, going into the port of Lisbon. Do we hit the funnels? Ciao for now.